Many companies conduct management review meetings regularly, but nothing really changes afterwards. Same problems continue, same discussions repeat because reviews present data, but they don't create decisions. Let's understand why this happens. Hi, I'm Sagar Naik, founder of Swades QMS and quality management consultant. In this video, we will understand why management reviews in many organizations fail to create real decisions, even in ISO certified companies, and how to make management review true business tool, not an audit formality. Let's understand step by step what management review is supposed to be. Management review is one of the most powerful requirement of ISO 9001. Its purpose is simple: to help leadership evaluate performance and take strategic decisions. It is not a reporting meeting, it is a decision-making meeting. ISO expects management to review performance trends, risks and opportunities, customer feedback, process effectiveness, resource needs, improvement opportunities, and then decide actions. But in reality, this rarely happens. In many organizations, management review looks like this: a long PowerPoint presentations, many charts, many numbers, department updates. Everyone listens quietly. Meeting ends. Minutes are prepared. But after meeting, no major change happens. Next review repeats. Same discussion. This means review happened, but management did not happen. So problem 1, too much data, no focus. Many reviews present excessive information. Every department shows everything. Data overload reduces clarity. Leadership cannot identify priorities. When everything looks important, nothing becomes actionable. Management review should highlight only critical signals, not entire database. Problem 2, reporting culture. Meeting becomes reporting sessions. Department explain past performance, but discussion stops at explanation. ISO does not ask management to listen. ISO expects management to decide. Difference is important. Reporting describes history. Management review shapes future. Problem 3, no decision question. Most review miss key leadership questions. What must change? Where should resources be added? Which risk requires action? Which process needs improvement? Without decision questions, meeting becomes information sharing. Decisions require deliberate questioning. Problem 4, fear of accountability. Sometimes teams avoid discussions because decisions create responsibility. So, discussions remain general. Statements like, we should improve quality, we must reduce complaints. These are intentions, not decisions. A decision always includes action, owner, timeline. Without these, review produces no result. Problem 5, disconnected from daily management. Management review happens quarterly or yearly, but operations run daily. If daily performance is not controlled, review becomes surface analysis. Leadership sees problems too late. Daily management system feeds real insights into management review. Without daily data, strategic decisions becomes weak. Problem 6, ISO treated as compliance. Many organizations conduct management review only for audit evidence. Agenda followed mechanically. Inputs discussed quickly. Minutes recorded. Checklist completed. But leadership engagement remains low. ISO never intended management review as documentation exercise. It is leadership responsibility. What auditors actually expect? Auditors look for evidence that management review leads to resource allocation, policy updates, objective changes, risk action, improvement initiatives. If same issue appear repeatedly, auditor understand decisions are missing. Effectiveness matters more than meeting occurrence. So what's the real purpose of management review? Management review should answer three questions. Are we achieving our objectives? What risks threaten our performance? What decisions must leadership take now? If these questions are answered clearly, review becomes powerful. In one organization, customer complaints were discussed every review. Graphs were shown repeatedly, but complaints never reduced. Why? Because discussion focused on numbers, not decisions. Later, leadership decided add process control checkpoints, invest in operator training, modify supplier evaluation. Within months, complaints reduced. Same data existed earlier. Difference was decision. How to structure decision-driven review? A practical structure. Start with key business risks. Review only critical KPIs. Identify deviations. Discuss causes briefly. Move quickly to decision. Assign owner. Define timeline. Record expected outcome. Meeting success should be measured by decisions made, not slides presented. Role of top management. Management review can be delegated fully. Leadership must lead discussion. Ask challenging questions. Encourage openness. Focus on future improvement. When leaders engage actively, meeting transforms. Instead of long presentations, use visual dashboards. Discuss trends. Encourage dialogue. Ask why and what next. Conversation creates thinking. Thinking creates decision. Management review connects operations with strategy. It aligns quality goals with business direction. It ensures system supports growth. Without this connection, ISO becomes isolated from business reality. Same issues discussed every meeting. Actions remain open for months. Objectives unchanged despite poor performance. Low leadership participation. Meeting feels routine. These are warning signals. So how to make management review effective? Focus on fewer indicators. Highlight risk first. Encourage honest discussion. Convert discussions into decision. Track decision effectiveness next review. Close loop continuously. Consistency builds maturity. Benefits of decision-driven reviews. Faster improvement, clear priorities, better resource utilization, reduced repeated problems, stronger leadership alignment. Audit readiness improves automatically. Management reviews fail when data replaces discussion, reporting replaces decision, compliance replaces leadership. Effective reviews require focus, engagement, accountability, decision mindset. So, management review is not about reviewing management system. It is about management reviewing the business. When decisions come out of review, ISO becomes powerful. Without decisions, review becomes ceremony. Leadership attention converts meetings into transformation. If you found this video useful, like this video and subscribe to Swades QMS. We will continue learning practical quality management in a simple way. If you need support strengthening your management review process, you can contact Swades QMS. Details are in the description. Thank you for watching.